Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to an exhilarating journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Today we're diving deep into what AI is, how it works, and why it's reshaping the very fabric of our world. Along the way, we'll explore groundbreaking innovations like Deepseek, OpenAI's O3 Mini, Anthropic's Claude, and even the rise of crypto AI agents. Ready? Let's go. Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and make decisions just like humans, or even better. That's the essence of AI. At its core, AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. These tasks range from recognizing speech and understanding language to solving complex problems and making predictions. But here's the kicker. AI isn't just one thing. It's an umbrella term encompassing various technologies like machine learning, ML, neural networks, natural language processing, NLP, and more. Think of it as a toolbox filled with powerful tools that enable machines to mimic human cognition. Artificial intelligence, AI, operates through a fascinating and intricate process that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. It all begins with data collection, where AI systems gather vast amounts of information, including text, images, and audio. This data serves as the foundation for everything the AI will learn, acting as the raw material for its development. Once the data is collected, the next step involves training algorithms. During this phase, algorithms analyze the data to identify patterns and relationships. For instance, a machine learning model might examine thousands of images of cats to discern what specific features define a cat. The learning phase is where neural networks come into play. These networks are designed to function like a simplified version of the human brain, with interconnected layers that allow the AI to learn from mistakes and improve over time. Neural networks enable AI to refine its understanding and adapt its behavior based on new information. Once trained, the AI enters the decision-making stage, where it applies its acquired knowledge to make predictions or decisions in real-world scenarios. Whether it's recognizing a face in a photo or recommending a movie, this is where AI demonstrates its practical utility. Finally, one of AI's most remarkable capabilities is its ability to continuously improve. With every interaction or new piece of data it encounters, the system becomes smarter and more efficient. This adaptability ensures that AI remains relevant and effective in dynamic environments, constantly evolving to meet new challenges and opportunities in an ever-changing world. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some cutting-edge developments making waves in 2025. DeepSeek is a Chinese-developed AI chatbot that has taken the tech world by storm. It recently surpassed OpenAI's ChatGPT as the most downloaded app on iOS in the US, thanks to its cost-efficient yet powerful reasoning capabilities. DeepSeek's R1 model delivers performance comparable to OpenAI's earlier models, but at a fraction of the cost. What makes DeepSeek revolutionary isn't just its efficiency, it's also open for researchers to examine, sparking debates about transparency and innovation in AI development. OpenAI has responded to competition with its latest reasoning model, O3 Mini. This model excels in STEM fields like science, math, and coding, while being incredibly cost-effective and fast, 24% faster than its predecessor. It even supports developers with features like function calling and structured outputs. The O3 Mini isn't just for paid users, it's also available for free-tier ChatGPT users, a move that democratizes access to high-quality AI reasoning. Anthropic has been making waves with its Claude series of AI assistants. Known for their ethical design and robust capabilities, these models are setting new benchmarks in natural language understanding and problem-solving. Claude 3 introduced advanced features like interactive coding tools and agentic capabilities, essentially making it smarter and more autonomous than ever before. Rumors about Claude 4 are already generating buzz, promising even greater advancements. Let's pivot to an exciting intersection of two groundbreaking technologies, blockchain and artificial intelligence. Crypto AI agents are autonomous software systems designed to operate within blockchain ecosystems. These agents use machine learning to analyze data, make decisions, and execute tasks, all without human intervention. Imagine an AI agent capable of autonomously trading cryptocurrencies, managing decentralized finance, portfolios, detecting fraud in real time, and even creating NFTs or interacting with decentralized autonomous organizations. These intelligent agents are revolutionizing the way we engage with crypto markets by automating intricate tasks and optimizing decision-making processes. They analyze vast amounts of blockchain data, execute trades with precision, and adapt to market trends without human intervention. By bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, these agents not only enhance efficiency, but also unlock new opportunities in financial innovation. It's a game changer for the digital economy. Artificial intelligence is far more than a buzzword. It's a transformative force reshaping industry worldwide. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care by diagnosing diseases and tailoring treatment plans to individual needs. The finance sector benefits from automated trading strategies and real-time fraud detection, ensuring efficiency and security. Entertainment platforms like Netflix and Spotify leverage AI to power personalized recommendation systems, enhancing user experiences. In transportation, AI drives innovation with autonomous vehicles from companies like Tesla and Waymo. Education is also evolving as AI personalizes learning experiences for students globally. These advancements are just the beginning of AI's limitless potential. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ethical concerns arise. If trained on biased data, AI can perpetuate inequalities. Advanced models like Deepseek raise questions about data security. Automation could replace human roles in various industries. How do we ensure that AI decisions are fair and understandable? Companies like Anthropic are tackling these issues head-on by embedding ethical frameworks into their models. The future of artificial intelligence is brimming with transformative possibilities, and several trends are set to define the landscape in 2025. A major milestone on the horizon is artificial general intelligence, AGI, often referred to as the holy grail of AI research. AGI represents machines capable of performing any intellectual task that humans can do, with advancements inching closer every year. From AGI breakthroughs to quantum-enhanced AI and hyper-personalized solutions, the trends of 2025 highlight a future where AI continues to evolve as a transformative force across industries, reshaping how we live, work, and explore the universe. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the incredible world of artificial intelligence. From game-changing innovations like DeepSeek and O3 Mini to futuristic crypto AI agents, it's clear that we're living through an era of unprecedented technological transformation. But remember, with all its potential comes responsibility. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, let's ensure they work not just for us, but with us, for a better future. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling explorations into tech trends shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious.